Welcome to this video tutorial on the process of submitting critiques and preliminary scores in IAR for word-based critique templates during the submit, read, and edit phases. This video demonstrates how to access, complete, and submit a critique and preliminary score for an application you are reviewing. Accessing your list of assigned applications. To access the list of my assigned applications screen, log into IAR Commons, select Internet Assisted Review from the landing page, or go to the menu icon in the upper left corner, and from the menu, select Internet Assisted Review. This opens the List of Meetings screen. Before you can access the meeting, you must click on the three-dot ellipses icon and select the Confidentiality Statement option. Complete the confidentiality statement. This is immediately followed by the Employment Certification form. Once these are complete, you are brought back to the List of Meetings screen. Click on the three-dot ellipses icon in the Meeting column and select View List of Applications from the menu. This opens the List of My Assigned Applications screen. In the Meeting Information area, you can see the status of the current phase, in this case, the Submit phase. In the Application Number, Opportunity Number column, access the available actions by clicking on the three-dot ellipses icon. The available options are Review Criteria. Selecting this option takes you to Section 5, Application Review Information, of the Notice of Funding Opportunity, NOFO. Critique Template. Use this option to download the critique template for the application you are reviewing. It is already named using the investigator's last name and the application number. The critique template provides pre-formatted text boxes for you to formulate the strengths and weaknesses of the application. Submit Critique. This opens the Submit Critique and Preliminary Score screen. If the scientific review officer has the option configured, you may see a top 5 checkbox to indicate that this application is one of your top 5 choices. Submitting the critique and preliminary scores during the submit phase. On the Submit Critique and Preliminary Score screen, reviewers provide preliminary scores for each criterion on a scale of 1 to 9, where 1 is exceptional and 9 is poor. The preliminary overall impact score is a separate score used in determining the order of review for the application. It is not a sum of criteria scores. To upload a critique file, drag and drop the file to the Upload target area, or click the Browse link and navigate to the critique template file. In most meetings, criteria scores are required to be supported by a written critique. The maximum file size that can be uploaded for critiques is 1 megabyte. The only supported file types are DOC, DOCX, and TXT. You can clear the Submit Critique and Preliminary Score screen by clicking the Reset link at the bottom. Or, to exit the screen without entering scores or submitting a critique, select the List of Applications link at the top of the screen. To proceed with the submission, click the Submit Critique button. The Submit Critique and Preliminary Score confirmation screen displays, allowing you to view the scores and the critique for accuracy. Click Edit Critique to go back to the previous screen to make changes. Click the Confirm button to save the scores and critique. A success screen is displayed, letting you know the submission is complete. Click the Back to List of Application link at the top to take you back to your list of applications. The List of My Assigned Applications screen shows the preliminary score and the date and time of the submission. If configured by the SRO, the top 5 column may be displayed. The available actions under the three-dot ellipses icon in the Application Number, Opportunity Number column now include View Critique and Delete Critique. Click View Critique to download a PDF version of the critique and scores. Click the Delete Critique to remove it. If you select the Delete option, you are shown the Delete Critique Score screen. Here you can delete just the scores and top 5 selection, or delete the critique template, the scores, and top 5 selection. Click Cancel to go back to the List of My Assigned Applications screen, or Delete Critique to continue. Because this process cannot be undone, you must confirm you want to delete the critique by clicking Confirm on the confirmation window. Submitting the critique and preliminary scores during the read phase. In the read phase of the meeting, You can view existing critiques and scores, and you can submit missing critiques, but you cannot edit existing submissions. The available actions under the three-dot ellipses icon in the application number opportunity number column does not include a submit critique option for critiques already submitted. Instead, you can review the criteria, view all the submitted critiques for the application, or download the critique template. To view your critique and scores for the application, click the three-dot ellipses icon in the Role column and select View Critique. In most meetings, you must first submit your own critiques before you are given access to read others' critiques on your assigned applications. This is shown in the Role column for applications for which you have yet to submit a critique. In the case of an application without a submitted critique, the three-dot ellipses icon in the application number opportunity number column provides the review criteria and critique template options. The submit critique action is found under the three-dot ellipses icon in the Role column. The process of submitting a critique from this option is exactly the same as described earlier. Submitting the critique and preliminary scores during the edit phase. The one change with the edit phase versus the read phase is that you can edit or update submitted critiques. The actions available under the three-dot ellipses icon in the Role column now includes Update Critique. Clicking this opens the previously submitted Submit Critique and Preliminary Score screen, allowing you to change the scores and re-upload a critique template. Resources. Several resources are available to you should you need them about submitting critiques and preliminary scores in IAR. If you still need help, contact your SRO or the ERA service desk. This concludes this video tutorial on the process of submitting critiques and preliminary scores in IAR for word-based critique templates during the submit, read, and edit phases. Thank you for watching.